How does user segmentation increase SaaS feature adoption? Imagine trying to teach a group of people all at once about a new tool. Some might get it quickly, others might feel overwhelmed. That's where user segmentation comes into play. It's about dividing your user base into smaller groups based on their behaviors, needs, and how they use your software. This way, you can speak directly to each group instead of giving everyone the same message. When you understand what each group needs, you can send targeted onboarding messages and tutorials. For example, new users unfamiliar with certain features can get simple guides that focus just on those tools. Advanced users, on the other hand, might receive updates about complex features that match their skill level. This makes the information more relevant and easier to understand. Segmentation also helps identify users who aren't using key features yet. By analyzing how different groups engage with your product, you can see who needs extra help or encouragement. Then, you can send personalized messages or in-app guides to nudge them toward using those features more. This approach reduces confusion and makes users more comfortable exploring your software. From a management point of view, user segmentation leads to happier customers. When users see that the product fits their needs, they're more likely to stay longer and use more features. It also helps your team focus on developing features that matter most to each group, making your product better for everyone. To do this well, you start by collecting data on how users interact with your software. You look at things like how often they log in, what features they use most, and their industry or job role. Then, you create groups such as power users, occasional users, or industry-specific groups. Next, you design onboarding flows, feature updates, and educational content tailored to each group. Finally, you keep an eye on how each segment adopts new features and adjust your strategies accordingly. This targeted approach boosts feature adoption because users get the right message at the right time. It makes them feel understood and supported, which encourages them to explore more of what your SaaS product offers. Over time, this leads to higher satisfaction, lower churn, and more loyal customers who see real value in your software.